Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In this episode of How to Guide, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to PNC Bank. Now if this sounds helpful to you, watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon to get notified every time we post. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up a browser. Then in the search bar, type in pncbank.com and then press enter on your keyboard. Soon as you do that, the official website of PNC Bank will open. In order for you to sign up to PNC Bank, you'll need to click on the sign on button located on the top right corner. From here, you will see the login options. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your ID and password and log in easily. But if you don't, you'll need to click on enroll in online banking. So in the first step of signing up, you will need to choose the type of identity information. You can choose any of these informations, whichever you have. For example, if you have a social security number, you can enter in your social security number, or if you have any of these options, you can also enter in this. Then in the next step, you will need to enter in your account information, or you can also enter in your debit card number. From there, you will need another verification source. It could be also any of these. You could enter your PNC debit card PIN, or you can enter your online access PIN, or you could choose to receive a OTP on your mobile number. So after you do that, you can click on the next button. In the next few steps, you need to enter in your credentials and create your username and your password for your online banking. Then you'll also need to verify your phone number and your email address. Then you'll end up in the privacy policy of the company. You'll need to confirm those privacy policies. Then after that, you'll be successfully signed up for PNC online banking. So those were the steps required for you to sign up for PNC online banking. If you guys found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up, and we'll be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.